Welcome to our artificial intelligence tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through building your very first AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines. It's revolutionizing various fields. There are numerous technologies and frameworks to help you harness AI. Let's explore a few of them. Setting up your development environment is crucial for building AI. We'll guide you through the installation process. Choosing the right project can ignite your passion for AI. Let's brainstorm some ideas and inspirations. Data is the lifeblood of AI. We'll cover the types and sources you'll need for training your models. Now for the exciting part, building your first AI model. Follow our step-by-step guide. Training your model effectively is key. We'll discuss techniques and best practices to maximize performance. Once your model is built and trained, testing and evaluating its performance is essential. Finally, let's look at how to deploy your AI model using various tools and platforms. Congratulations on completing this tutorial. Your journey in AI is just beginning. Explore further and keep coding.